Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Sky is Your Limit. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon to get instant notifications of our videos. So let's continue with the series on HTML. So today we will see anchor tag. In HTML, anchor tag defines a hyperlink that links one page to another page, and in this anchor tag href is main attribute, so we will see in detail. So let me first save this file. So let's first type HTML syntax, and let me give the title as a lesson 5. And let's first type in the body tag and in the center. Okay, so center tag, and I will type hello world. And let's change body attribute background color. Okay, so I will change background color as a yellow. So let's first save it and let's go to our browser and check it. So you can see the output as expected. Okay, so let's see the use of anchor tag. So first I will put here br tag, and let me type first anchor tag. So anchor tag you can use like this. This is the anchor tag syntax, and let me first type in the enter tag. So I will type here song. Okay, and in the attribute of anchor tag I will type here href. So href is used to uh, link some file or some web page, okay, by its url or its address. Okay, so here I will type here link.mp3. so this file is available in my this folder. Okay, so I can use it directly by writing link.mp3. okay, you can use some other file like image or pdf. So let's see in the browser. So as you can see here, song is anchor tag. Let me first click here, and you can see the song is playing. Okay, so I have put this as a hyperlink in the song. Okay, so you can use this anchor tag like this. We can create hyperlink to other web page as well as files, location, or any file. So let me use another anchor tag, and let me put here photo. Okay, and let's create here hyperlink as a let's see in our folder. So we have available image capture. Okay, and it is .jpg file, so we have to write capture.jpg. okay, so let's type here capture.jpg. if your image has some another destination, so you can type that destination like C users, or you can understand it. Okay, so let's click here photo, and you can see photo is showing in the web page. Let me click song. So let's change some alignment of this text. So let's type photo in the center, so I will put photo in the center tag. Okay, and let me change its font or its size, so I will use font tag, and I will put photo into the font tag. Okay, and let's change its color into black. Okay, and let's first save it and let's refresh. So as you can see, the outputs are expected. Okay, so I will can understand this syntax. Okay, and let me change its color into red, and let me change its size. I will put here is a 25. Okay, and let's refresh this page. So as you can see, the output is as expected. Okay, so by this way you can practice this anchor tag. And let me give you another example, and this time I will link one HTML file. Okay, so I will link lesson 1 into this lesson 5. I will link. Okay, let me first type here lesson 1, and let me make here hyperlink. One note for you, that you should always follow your file's destinations. Okay, so let's save it and let me go to my web browser. As you can see, the output is expected. Okay, and you can see our lesson 1 file is opened into lesson 5. Okay, let me make some changes in our HTML code. So let me add one horizontal line, and I will change its color into black, and okay, and let's see. So you can see one horizontal line is in our web page. Let me make here some change, and let's put song into center tag. And let me first here slash, and let me put song into h2 tag, so it will be more clear for us. Okay, let's save this and let's see in the browser. So as you can see, the output is expected. Okay, let me put here one horizontal line. Let's change its color into blue, and here I will also put one horizontal line, and let's change its color into blue, and let's save and let's refresh. So as you can see, the output as expected. So let me change lesson 1 also. Let's use center tag. Let me put lesson 1 into center tag, and I will also put h1 tag. Okay, so okay, so let's save these and let's see our browser. So as you can see, the output as expected. So by this way you can practice this anchor tag. Okay, it is very useful to link one web page to another web page. If the address of file which we want to link and HTML file are same, so at that time you can use only that file name. And if the address of that file and HTML file are different, so at that time you have to use that whole address. So I hope you have enjoyed this session. It is enough for today. We will meet in the next tutorial. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and goodbye. Thank you.